Rule number 26. On your way to the bank, keep one eye over your shoulder. Cancellations used to drive me crazy. I was in the medical supply business and it would take about 90 days to get a new client in the door. Almost before the ink was dry on the contract, I'd get a call that would sound like this. Hi, it's Ralph Jones. I have to tell you to hold off on the agreement because our current supplier who you're competing with came in with a last-minute offer and we've decided to stay with him. This would happen to me about a third of every time I would make a sale, and the lost dollars were really beginning to add up to me. It was generally assumed that it was just something you had to live with and you couldn't do anything to stop it. That's when I was introduced to the idea of a post-sell from my Sandler trainer. Mr. Prospect, what are you going to tell my competition when they find out that you've switched the business to me? Oh, I hadn't thought about that. Well, now that you're thinking about it, I guess I'll tell them that we've decided to go with you, the other company, for now. What do you mean you guess? I'm just going to flat out and tell them we can revisit the situation in a year. Okay, so I don't need to worry about one of those voicemails late at night about you changing your mind? Nope. We're in for the long haul, with you. Remember, the sale is not closed until that check clears. I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or for more information, you can also visit us at baileymarketing.sandler.com.